everyone, it's me, Rachel, and this is Elliott. Look at Elliott. So, we just got these cat treats at the Family Dollar. We're going to see if he likes them. They are catnip-flavored. Look. Look, Elliott. I think I put 4 out there. And they appear to all be gone. And I think he might have swallowed them whole. Elliott, you want one more? Look at, isn't he pretty? He's such a nice kitty. But he's so fat. And he is a good mouser. As soon as the mice try to come in our house, he gets them. I found a part of one the other morning. Anyway, that's Elliott. Stay blessed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.